Are you getting Roku Netflix error? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. If Netflix is not working on your Roku device, ensure your Roku device is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, then Network, then select Check Connection to check the strength of your connection. If your connection is weak, restart your router to improve the signal. Method 2. Restart your Roku device. Unplug your Roku device from power. Wait 15 to 20 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Alternatively, restart your Roku device from the Settings menu by going to Settings, then System, then System Restart. Method 3. Check your Roku model. Ensure your Roku model supports Netflix. Most Roku models support Netflix, but some older models might not. You can check your Roku model by going to the Roku website and searching for your device model. Method 4. Check Netflix availability in your region. Netflix is available almost everywhere globally, but there are a few regions where it is not available. These currently include China, Crimea, North Korea, Russia, and Syria. If you are in one of these regions, you will not be able to use Netflix on your Roku device. Method 5. Check if Netflix is down. Before trying other ways, first you should troubleshoot Netflix services. If it is down, there is nothing you can do to fix it except wait. You can visit the Netflix Help Center website to check its current status. Method 6. Check your Netflix account. If you are already using Netflix and it is not working now, ensure your Netflix account is active and not expired. If you are sharing your account with others, check if you have reached your simultaneous streaming limit. You can upgrade your plan to increase the number of devices that can stream simultaneously. Method 7. Sign out and back in to Netflix. Go to the Netflix home screen, open the menu, select Get Help and select Sign Out, then Confirm. Now sign back in and check. This can sometimes resolve issues with the app. Method 8. Check your Roku's operating system. Ensure your Roku's operating system is up to date. To update the Roku system, head to Settings. Select System. Select Software Update. Confirm if prompted. Wait till the system installs the latest updates. Once done, you can restart the system and check. Method 9. Clear your cache and data. From the home screen, press the home button on the remote 5 times. Then press the up arrow button. Now, press the rewind button twice and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data, called cache and cookies, can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on Roku TV, and by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 10. Disable VPN. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off to see if it resolves the issue. Some streaming services, including Netflix, may not work with VPNs. Method 11. Check your parental controls. Ensure that your Roku's parental controls aren't blocking Netflix. If you have parental controls set up, try disabling them to see if it resolves the issue. Once you have set up the PIN, you can disable parental controls by going to Settings, then select Parental Controls, and then Disable Parental Controls. The settings may differ as per your system. Method 12. Update Netflix. To update Netflix on your Roku device, press the home button on your Roku remote. Then, press the right directional button. Next, highlight Netflix. Then, press the star button on your remote. Next, Select Check for updates. Then, wait for the app to update. Finally, press OK. Method 13. Delete and reinstall the Netflix channel. The next thing you can do is uninstall and then reinstall Netflix channel. Here are the steps to reinstall a channel on Roku. Perform a system restart on your Roku device before reinstalling the channel. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find Netflix. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for Netflix. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall Netflix. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel as shown and try to watch it, and you should not get the error. Method 14. Contact Netflix support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be a problem with your Netflix account or a service outage. Contact Netflix's customer support team to report the issue and get help. And there you have it, the way to fix Roku Netflix error. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.